Hello and welcome to another edition of the Robinhood Stock of the Week. And today I want to analyze the stock of Workhorse, one of the most hyped stocks on the Robinhood app right now, in the hype of their electric vehicle in general and in Tesla especially. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Workhorse was founded in 1998 in Indiana and is manufacturing electrical power delivery and utility vehicles, and they're specialized for the last mile delivery. I will try to explain what I think about this company and all the hype, and of course I will come to a conclusion if I think Workhorse is a good investment right now or not. So let's dive deeper in some way impressive financial numbers of Workhorse. Workhorse, as you can see, have almost no kind of revenue lately. This alone is a kind of a red flag for me, and if we look at the free cash flow, of course, they just burn money every day over quite a while now, and so I can't take a look at the earnings, margins or returns, because there are none. It makes it even easier to analyze if there is nothing, so you don't have anything to analyze. You can make a shorter run. Then also take a look at the balance sheet of Workhorse. As we can see, they have a long-term debt and a negative shareholder equity. I would say this looks horrific, but it can be even worse when we look at the current ratio. There are 0.02 billion of current assets and 0.04 billion of current liabilities, or in other words, they have around the double of liabilities than assets in the short term. So we can see that they don't make any money for years now, but despite that, the stock price and with it the market capitalization just goes through the roof lately. Right now, Workhorse have a market capitalization of 1.2 billion and in the peak it was 1.43 billion of market capitalization. The question for me is, how is this possible? So let's try to explain this. Just lately, Workhorse received an order of 20 C1000 all-electric delivery trucks, but I guess 20 trucks maybe is not the reason for a market capitalization of over $1 billion, so we have to look further. And if we do so, we can see that Workhorse plans to sell between 300 and 400 vans by the end of 2020. But even if they sell 300 to 400 vehicles to the end of 2020, I'm not that sure if this is a market capitalization of over $1 billion worth. So maybe there are other reasons. Later in this article, we come to the story about the US postal contract over $6 billion, and I guess that's the reason for the high market capitalization, because it looks like the people bet that Workhorse will win this contract. And as we can read here, there are just 4 remaining participants bidding for the contract. And of course, Workhorse can win this contract. It would be a big game changer for sure for the company. And it looks like that's all of the story. I can't see any other reason for this crazy, insane high market capitalization right now. And so it all comes down just to a bet that they will win this contract. Not more, not less. So what's my conclusion then? With Workhorse, we have a nice story in an overall electric vehicle hype, all in the shadows of Tesla, of course. But there are so many red flags with this company. They have no revenue, and for that, of course, also no earnings right now. And as you know, the value of a company is just its future earnings, and who knows if there will be ever any earnings. So far, this is what we know, there are not. And they have also a horrible balance sheet, and at the end of the day, there is nothing but the bet on the US postal contract. So of course, that's nothing for a serious value investor. It's just nothing but a gamble. But of course, you can also make money even with a gamble, but that's not the style of investing that I want to do. Of course, you can win a bet or you can lose it, but that's not my style. If I would want to do a gamble like that, I could also go to a casino and play roulette. And if you just bet on black or red, chances are 50-50 and way better than the 1 to 4 with the US postal contract and Workhorse. That's my conclusion to Workhorse. I will not touch this stock anywhere soon. And as I said, of course, you can make money with that. When we are betting and at odds, in my experience, you can win with this company 1 of 100 times. But maybe I'm wrong with that. Maybe I oversaw something. So just tell me in the comment section your opinion on Workhorse and why I may be wrong, or maybe why I'm right, or maybe why it's even worse. However, I'm interested in all of your opinions, so feel free just to comment, and then maybe we can discuss in the comment section. So that's it for today. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell to never miss another video, and see you already tomorrow because I have an update on my portfolio to make. Take care. Bye bye.